streaming, Shay. Start streaming, Shay. Yeah, there we go. Excellent connection. Awesome. That is what I like to see. Oh, shoot. Yeah, I should probably move this over here. Let's do the pop out thingy here. Pop out. And then let's close this. Every time that thing like rams my CPU. It's like streaming in general rams my CPU. Alright, let's throw this bad boy over there. Okay. Yeah, because it looks like we're dropping a lot of frames already, which sucks. But hey man, no we do about that, man. I wonder if there's a way to better optimize my streaming here. I don't know. Oh well, anyway. It's good for now, I guess. Alright, let me check it on my phone and see what we got going on. I want to see how it sounds. See if I sound like garbage or if it sounds decently okay. We will find out in just a few. Find out. Oh shoot, that's gonna You know what I say about it? I say good enough for me. Alright. We're gonna move that right there. We're gonna move this over here, this side. We're gonna move this here. Okay, alright. What am I doing? I gotta remember. Let me hit Command Alt S to save this and re-render some stuff. Let's see, maybe if I look at these tabs, it'll give me an idea of what I was doing. State. Oh yeah, I was refreshing up on how to do that. Let me up this some. It's going to be a little loud. There we go. There we go, man. There we go. All right. Oh, list is not defined. I remember what I was doing. Isn't that just so magical? All right, so what I was doing is I wanted to get this list stuff here. So it looks like I'm still... Oh, that's a pigeon. I was like, what in the world is that? Man, it's just hanging out on my balcony going... I was going to try to get him to come in here, but he didn't want to do it. Anyway, so yeah, we got this list thing here, list.map. This should say messages.map. Wait, how the fuck do you spell messages? Messages.map. Yeah, just like that. Oh, shoot. No, that's wrong. I didn't want to auto import that. I wanted that to be lowercase m because I wanted to use this. And honestly, I mean, that should fix it, right? Let's just console.log here, just some bullshit, because we don't really care what that says. But that means that in theory that should fix it, because this use state's got like an empty list here. This list thing should blah blah blah, and it's refreshing Nizzy now. Oh, dude, I completely forgot to change the title of this stream. Oh my god, I'm an idiot. But yeah, look, now you see there's no error, which is pretty Gucci because there's nothing there. I'm gonna change the title of this stream real quick. Tequila calls Verizon 11 years ago. That dude's been doing this for that long. That is crazy. All right, go live. Yeah. Come on, dude. Come on, dude. Faster. It's going so slow because I'm using a little old MacBook Air. So it's struggling. I ain't gonna lie. I'm sitting at 28% CPU, but I'm sitting at like 20 frames per second, which is kind of booty. Especially when I bring this up. When I bring this up, it's really booty. Like big time. All right, let's yeah, my frames are down to like retarded levels. All right, live coding, React Native, JavaScript, obviously. What else we using? GraphQL, however you want to put that. What else? We probably just GraphQL. I think that's how you do it. Yeah, I think that's how you do it. All right, GraphQL. What else we using? Amplify. I'm putting all this in here, even though I don't know what the hell I'm doing with it. React Native, JavaScript, GraphQL, Amplify. What else? Expo. Expo is the thing that we're using. Okay, that's fine. I work on some shiz with the languages and shiz in the description and shiz. There we go. We're not using Python, so we got to take that out of there. We don't want to pretend we're using something that we're not. So skip the skank. JavaScript. We're not using Kivy. Oh yeah, React. You know what? I'll say React. Technically, right? Technically, React Native. That is not how you spell native. GraphQL, and then GQL. We'll just put GQL for the hell of it. Amplify, Expo, because why not? Why not? Yep. That's fine. There's some other stuff in here that needs to change, but that's fine. Let's save it. Yep. There we go. And I think that's Gucci. Okay. Back to 30 frames per second now that we got that out of the way. My stream's kind of lagging behind, but that's fine. Okay, anyway. Messages. That's what we're doing. Console log bullshit, user ID, user. We want to get the user ID from this user thing here. I don't really know how this object is structured, so I don't know why I deleted that console log just to type it again, but I did. And we're going to live with that. Let me go ahead and inspect. I'm going to just kind of toss this at the bottom of this thing here. Like that. Yep. Oh my god, it squishes. I need to do something about that. Anyway. Oh my god, this is gonna take forever. Jesus Christ. Oh, that's my ID. Oh, so it's just ID. Okay, that's nice. That's nice. It makes things easy. All right, so user ID. I'm thinking. Because there's not always going to be a user. So yeah, I don't want to do that. User ID equals user.id. Boom. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. User.id. Okay. Now we want to get messages for this user. Oh Jesus. Okay. How the hell are we gonna do that? Let me get rid of these. We're just gonna check if user ID. If user ID. I mean, obviously there's gonna be a user ID. If there's a user, then there's a user ID. But you know what? Just to be on the safe side, what's it hurting anyone? It's not hurting anything. Adding that little extra if statement there is not hurting anything. It's just a little safe sprinkle on the top. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? All right, so boom, boom, boom. What we need is queries here. So we got get user query. Can I like fold these? I cannot. Oh yeah, get user right there. List users. Get social media. List social media. Get my review. List my review. Get payment details, list payment details, get my portfolio, list my portfolios, get description, list description, get my meetings, list my meetings, get my notification, list my notifications, get event, list events, get marketing, list marketing, get attendee, list attendee, get brand, Command K, Command O. What? Command K, Command S, Command S. Fold all, Command K, Command O. So why the hell did it not work? Command K, Command O is not a command. Command K, Command 0. 0? Why the fuck is it 0? Anyway. Let it do. Get message. List messages. Get conversation. List conversation. Get conversation. So get conversation has a message ID, user ID, blah, blah, blah. We got to pass in ID. ID for what? ID for the conversation or ID for... Oh, yeah, list conversations. There we go. Okay, so... so there's a filter, there's a limit, and then there's a next token. List conversations takes a filter, a limit, and a next token. Is that what that means? What does it get? $ID, ID. $filter, $limit, $next token. Why is it not list my conversations? Model conversation filter input. I don't know what the hell that is. Int, string, limit, I don't know, 10. Next token. I don't know what that is. Oh, next token. I'm gonna be honest, I have no idea. Message filter input, int, string. This has text. This is the conversation that it's associated with. Okay. List conversations. One second, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. One thing that's bothering me though is that I keep picking up like background noise. Yeah, like it keeps picking up background noise that I have no idea what it is. Maybe I just need to turn my mic down some. Maybe that'll fix it. Okay, anyway, back to what I was doing. All right, so list conversations. List conversations, filter, limit, next token. I got no idea. Why don't we... where am I? Oh, she's wonderful. I see it right there. Why don't we amplify mock API? I had to get some banana cake. See it? Banana cake. This stuff's delicious. This is going to take a while because I'm trying to stream. Failed to start API mock endpoint. Parameters.json does not exist. Really? Really, bro? What the hell does that mean? What the hell does that mean? I don't know. I think I'm gonna have to create another user because how else am I gonna get messages and stuff? I might have to get my wife's MacBook and yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'll be right back. Got my wife's MacBook. I'm gonna use it to create another account, I guess. One 192.168.1.103. One 103. 103. Colon 1906. It worked. It worked. Loading it up. I don't know if you can see it. Can you see it? No? Got the password. Yeah, you can kind of see it that way. Anyway. Oh man, our Mac looks almost dead. Are you serious, bro? 4%? Oh my god. Apple should have stuck with MagSafe because that was like the most amazing charging method ever. I don't know why they went to USB-C. USB-C is fine if you stuck a MagSafe on the end of it. Alright, let's create a... We're going to sign up. Sign up, creator, email. It's got to be her email. And Gmail. Password. I gotta text her and tell her that she needs to open Gmail. I hate two-factor authentication. It's amazing because it, protects you and stuff, but it shit pisses me off way more than it helps me. Seems like anyway. Damn, son, fucking go to that shit, dude. Waiting for her to open Gmail on her phone so it like authenticates me. But it doesn't look like she's looking at her phone right now. Taking her forever. Oh my god, she keeps rejecting it. Come on, Gail. Okay. Finally got in. She kept declining. I guess she has something to hide or something. I don't fucking know, but it was annoying the hell out of me. Why you want my Gino? Why you want my Gino? Because I'm fucking doing something, dude. Goddamn. Oh, it blocked the payment thing. Okay, now I have an account set up for her. Now me putting all my Let it process the payment, quote unquote payment. Yo, this banana bread's so fucking good. God damn. Delicious. There we go. Alright. Now, we need to go to home. Oh shit, I can't. Go to messages. Fucking payment again? I already went to payment. What the hell? Oh my god, I can't type a fucking 0. Ah, it keeps trying to push me to fucking payment, dude. Damn. I don't know why. I just did this. Alright, let's do it again and see what happens. Yo, I got that big ass crooked back, dude. I look like, what you call it? Notre Dame dude or whatever it is, in the touchback guy. Alright. So it says sign out. Do I need to sign in again? Is that what it's doing? Oh, okay. So now I need to go to home. H and V and E. Oh my god, it's taking me to payment again, bro. What the fuck? What the actual fuck, bro? I don't understand why it keeps taking me to payment. This is kind of pissing me off. Is it because I don't have the GraphQL thing running? Is that why? I hope that's not why. Why am I not able to go to, like, I can go home here and it works just fine. See? Works just fine. HOME. But for some reason it doesn't want to work there. What if I open it here on my network? Try it this way. See what happens. Authenticated. Shit, I forgot her email. Okay, let's log in, see what happens. Sure, save. Is it gonna work, or is it gonna kick me to payment? It's just gonna keep kicking me to payment, huh? Seems like it wants to keep kicking me to payment when I do it over the network. I bet if I were to open this up in like incognito or something, Yeah, it just keeps kicking me to payment. This is some bullshit. Alright, let's open it up in incognito. Command C, open. That's not what I wanted to do. In private window. Slam this over here. Paste it. What the actual fuck? Yo, what the hell? Is it still recognizing this as me being signed in? It best not, bro. It best not. Let's go messages. Yeah, so this is not authenticated. So why am I able to get in to everything? I guess let me go to login. Authentication. Tangent Oak. Shit, what was the email again? Damn it. I fucking forgot. See if it works. Username. Cannot read property user data of undefined. What the fuck? Pay with card. Alright, let's see what happens. Unable to download payment manifest. That's fucking fantastic. Wait, it's doing something. Payment success. Cognito user. Oh, looking like we doing something. Let's go to messages now. See if it's still got me in there or Tangent Oak. Yeah, it fucking works. I don't even need her shit. I don't know why that would be the case, but I mean, that's the only thing I can think of is because I don't have the API like running or something. I have no idea. I have no idea, to be honest. Okay, so we've got 2 users here now. You can see there's Tangent Oak, there's me, both creators. Okay, what I want to do is I need to create a new message, and I need to create a message for me and Tangent Oak here. And I guess I could put this to side for now. Console.log. Temporarily abandoned. How do you spell abandoned? I have no idea. Temporarily abandoned. Okay. So now the next goal is to create a new message. New. Create a new message. Where would that be? Messages, user card, card with image, button window, blah, blah, blah. It'd be button wide. Right? Button wide, ball. And then we're going to have an on click for this. So how would I do that? Because it's a view. That's all it is. Orange button. We don't need that little comment there anymore. That was for an old thing. Fuck. Okay. Feathers, that, yeah. I mean, would it be like an on click? Is that what would this, do views have on clicks? on touch start, event gesture responder event. On touch start equals this, and then I guess we're going to pass in an anonymous function and say console.log. We're going to console log. The big orange button was touched. All right, let's see if that does anything. See if that does anything. Well, I mean, I don't really need this window open anymore, so I can close this. I just wanted to make sure that it was working, that her user was actually in there somewhere. Because if I was able to get like her name and the creator type, that means making the query to the GraphQL was actually working. So I mean, that's pretty much all I was looking for. If I could move my mic way out there, if you can still hear me. I don't know. Anyway, it's more comfortable for me this way. So anyway, let's see. Oh yeah, I wanted to check and see if this was actually going to work. Clicking the big orange button. Because it didn't seem like we had an on click, it was just an on touch start, which is weird, but I mean it's React Native, so it makes sense. So let's click her and see what happens. Click. Nothing happened. Alright, so nothing happened there. So that was a failed attempt. You know what I can do? I guess I could pull up the resources here. This I don't really need anymore. I'm gonna go here and say React Native View, click event. Oh, on press. Is that a thing? On press? It didn't show it. Now, I want the actual React Native. Right here. That's what I want. Does the view component have some sort of on thingy event? So what we can do is on and search on something. Press event. On start should set responder where event is a press event. Does this view want to become responder on the start of the touch? No. Oh, right here. Accessibility role. Communicates the purpose of a component to the user of an assistive technology. Whatever the fuck that means. But it looks like I would say accessibility role and then pass in button. Is that what I would do? Let's try it. Let us try it. Accessibility actions. Provides an array of custom actions available for accessibility. Component type. In some cases, we also want to alert the end user of the type of selected component, i.e. this is a button. If we were using native buttons, this would work automatically. Since we are using JavaScript, we need to provide a bit more context for the talkback. To do so, you must specify the accessibility component type property for any UI component. For instances, we support button, radio button checked, and radio button unchecked, and so on. What was this? Accessibility role. Accessibility role. Let's see what it says. It says anything different. Accessibility role tells a person using either VoiceOver on iOS or TalkBack on Android the type of element. Oh, okay. So that's for the TalkBack stuff. Okay. So accessibility component type. I think this is just accessibility stuff. I mean, obviously it says accessibility, but I don't think this is like... I don't think this is anything. This is what I'm looking for. This is for just like screen readers and stuff. Right? Pointer events. Pointer events. So I want pointer events for this to be auto. Let's see, touch. We want to look for touch stuff. On start should set responder capture. Is that what I'm looking for? On start should set responder. Does this view want to become responder on the start of a touch? Responder and on move blah 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 are called with a bubbling pattern where the deepest node is called first. I don't know what that means, but we're gonna try something. E console.log E. Let's see if that does anything biggity fancy, boy. All right, I'm going to inspect. We're gonna click. Hey, it actually did something. So that's cool. What's the target? This div? Why is it that div? Is it because that's what I clicked? What if I click out here? Click. The target is... So anything I click in here, it's gonna bubble, I guess, bubble whatever. And then the target is gonna be that. But I mean, I don't think that matters because I can just do something when I click somewhere inside this. I don't think it matters what the target is, it's just the fact that I want something to happen when I click in that. So that's good, I guess. Let me drop these down and let me move this. Command X. I want this to be up here. Command V, because it's like stupid long. This I can move up here like this. Let me format selection. There we go. All right. Okay. Let me add some space here. Give some separation. I like there to be some separation in my shit. Okay, so that's doing what I want it to do. This should not be like that because it's ugly as hell. Yeah, so now here I want to do some logic. So I want to say const what create new message equals this. And I don't think it matters what the event is. We don't care about the event. We just care about this. I'm going to say create new message like that. I'm thinking. What would be the best way to do this? Because what I want to do is, so if I click new message, obviously I want to create a new message, but to who? That's the question. Let's see what the mutations look like here. So if I go to GraphQL, mutations, Command K, Command 0, create, let's search for a message, create message, takes a create message input and a condition. Input and a condition. I don't know what the fuck that means. Input and condition. What is input? What is condition? I'm assuming this user ID would be the user ID of the other person. Am I able to go to like the schema or something? Schema. There we go. Oh shit. Okay, yeah, cool. GraphQL. I need a parser for this. Prettier. It's got 9 million. I guess that's the best one to use, huh? Okay, that's installed. Go back. I want to go back to the schema here. Okay, yo, Prettier didn't do jack diddly squat here. I thought it was supposed to, yeah, it's GraphQL. So why? Huh, interesting. Well, it didn't format like I wanted it to, but whatever. Whatever, dude. At least I can fold everything. That's a relief. Oh, I was doing that wrong anyway, to be honest. Because I was trying to create a new message, right? I think I need to create a new conversation, and then within the conversation, create a new message. I think that's the way that this is structured here. So let me go back to wherever the hell it's at, GraphQL, mutations. Yeah, see how I said create message. This needs to be create conversation. Create conversation input, condition, model. What the fuck? What the fuck is input and what the fuck is condition? Jesus Christ. Alright, conversation schema. At model, at key, name, message to conversation, fields. At model, at key. Is that what that's supposed to be? It's supposed to be at model, at key. And then it generates all these IDs for me, right? At model, at key. I don't know what the fuck that means. Password, really? Oh, Slack's trying to add a new helper tool. Always trying to. I have Slack open on my other thing over here. Alright, well, I've been streaming for an hour. I'm gonna try to figure this shit out. Yeah, I'm gonna try to figure this shit out and see if I can't figure this shit out. And if I can, awesome. If I can't, fuck, it sucks, but hey, whatever. yeah, I'm gonna call it quits now. If you like this kind of stuff. No, if you like watching me do this, I don't know, just fucking do something. Just do something. Anyway, I'm gonna call it. I might, stream again. Me trying to do some shit, but yeah, I gotta figure out this whole GraphQL thing because some of this is confusing. I think I'm supposed to add the ID. Let me actually, before I call it quits. Okay. Anyway. All right. Yeah. Peace out. Calling it quits on it. I don't fucking know.